where they go and then their relative ages.
Yep.
Is all we're supposed to gather.
Yeah, then you.
I thought you were talking about coming out here.
We're gonna walk all the way around this room.
Do we
Okay.
need to do that together, or we
No, you can.
just do it on our
Yeah,
own?
in fact, he said you can even go counterclockwise if you want.
Yeah, I want the,
Are you recording, Scott?
I am.
Do you want me to? Your zipper's a little loose.
Oh yeah, sure.
Try to get it more straight up for you.
I know, I wish I had something to tie it.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's in the middle.
The cool thing about this camera is it has zenith correction, so it'll auto adjust the video to stay upright, even if my camera gets a little tilted.
Yeah, okay.
That's pretty, I mean, in theory.
Bet you could somehow slide it through that handle on your backpack.
I know, I was thinking about that. There's also a hole for like headphones, and
Oh yeah.
I mean, I don't really put headphones through it, so I wonder if I can make it a little wider for this.
Yeah, those holes are going to become obsolete as everybody goes to Bluetooth.
Yeah. Although I use it for the cable sometimes to charge. So we're going this way and to the left, you said, Rick, right? For the
To
steeper?
the right. Go up and go to the right.
But that's the longer one.
No, they're the same.
They're the same.
Oh.
That's just,
It's a circle.
We're doing that walk on our own. We're not trying to stay together. We had a time we need to be in the bed.
Ria, you take video.
This is pretty crazy that this is a once active volcano.
yeah.
What is it, Aaron? Aaron, how's the poison ivy smell? Just don't wake me up with that hand.
How is he waking you up? I don't.
So most of those rocks like the same scoria, or
The other basalt, I guess, I'm not sure.
because vesicular basalt is different than rhyolite, right? Yeah, I'm not rhyolite. I'm sorry, scoria. Or are they very similar?
I think they're similar.
They have them separately, but I've never actually. Like,
You're asking a sedimentologist this question.
You gotta be careful who you ask.
that's right.
Are we just keeping
Will
going?
this be a basin? Then let's talk about basins.
You can either go that way or you can go this way. Either way. Whatever you desire. You're gonna go end up in the same place, back here.
Cool. Paul, you know your bag's open? It's enough.
It's so cool seeing the process of resistance.
Oh, the one that just stepped on?
I saw.
Here's the cast worked out.
This is great for the booth. No, we saw the cast down there.
Should we go back down there for a picture from here? Everybody group
That
up.
would be cool.
Ooh, cacti.
Helpful clues. I want to see an ibex. Did you ever see those things?
A what?
The ibex?
right?
Yeah. When I was in Israel, it's crazy. They just like the rock that they can stand on, the steepness of the slope, and they stand on these
Oh,
really.
those mountain good-looking things.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
On planet Earth.
Yeah, planet Earth and planet Earth 2. And the things that they can stand on are incredible.
Dive on top of each other and smash heads.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Oh, look. Little tiny cactus. Oh, no, there's two. Friends. It's nice that this lava made a natural walkway.
What are the chances?
Or is this a volcanic conglomerate here?
Just got some inclusions.
Scorglomerate? Some inclusions. Oh. Nest. Ooh, another one. Pretty cool. Who's blazing up there? Hey, look. I believe that's called a sill.
Yeah.
Right? Volcanic sill.
Maybe I'll check that out for a while.
Is that Fran up there?
Waiting for the next bench to collapse on.
This is
You
amazing.
can, okay, I think you can see the Sangre de Cristos over there in the distance.
Uh-huh.
See the snow?
Oh yeah, we took
Yeah.
pictures of that before. So what's this cliff? You know?
No.
Okay, fair enough.
I don't know if these have, they probably have names. There's a ranch right down there. I would love to have that ranch.
Yeah,
But these are all part of flows.
this is incredible.
Yeah. We've not been able to see the mountains before, so this is, I guess the rain last night helped.
Oh,
Yeah, last year we had fires, smoke.
oh really?
Oh yeah, it was terrible.
Wow.
Yeah, you can actually see the mountains.
It's cool looking volcanic plateaus. Lots of scoria from all that pyroclastic debris from the explosion. All that lava cooled so quickly. I don't know if you could see it in the 360, but you can see it's very, very vesicular. They even used it to build all the little pieces of the wall around the walkway. Man, this is incredible. And you can imagine years and years ago that there was no grass. It was just charred, smoking rock and lava after the extrusion, just covering everything. No birds, no trees, no grass. Just magma. Oh, lava. get up here with 4 minutes left. Stay flexible, kids. So like the top of my head, which is clear to see, the caldera, called the throat. Oh, these little bugs. We can't see the volcano anymore, but it's all the way down to my right. And to my left would be the sidewall, and underneath are like sheets that solidified from the molten stuff, one layer after the other. At the top we are.